You know, come like the TV I want me dash away. Come in, I know why you give me so much problem. Today, I go on 68th birthday. Let me turn off this and turn it on back, cause you have to understand, say Queenie, wait him then. Queenie no love herself. If you no love yourself, people will take disadvantage of you. You understand? Until she start love herself, she gonna realize, say, do it, just come in her life for use her. Do it 2.5 years soon up. So what do we do? Do we just go back to Queenie? Cause Queenie have to send off back do we papers, you know. Think say do we are idiot? Do we know what Emma do? Booksy class, pretty and this up Isabel wicked. Why? And they were all friends. Why Rooksy do that? I don't know where it come from. Hi. Wait, let me see how old this. Trouble. Double trouble. Trouble daddy. They have one trouble on my life. Yeah, your comment black. Only me alone can't see it. So you can't stay there type. You can stay there type your comment black. Yes, TikTok. Filter out in comment for me. You never do a better thing. Aye. Your comment a block. Only me can see. Lisa, you not do your nails? No. I don't like false nails. I don't want one time I wipe myself, I go joke myself. I don't want one time I wipe my face, I go joke my face. That one you never do. How this looks so? How it look to one people? Look like it not do, don't it? Anyway, it go and stay. I got 160th birthday. As you can see, he's repeating my clothes because of my money buy it. I'm supposed to can wear my clothes anytime I want. I'm not going to take up no money and go buy nothing dear. Crazy. Oh, this now. Oh, that one. Yeah, I did talk about Queenie and Dewey. What people not understand, you know, you can't blame Queenie, you know. Queenie, you know, so 100. When you see how they disgrace them one another and watch the two of them. You see when you come on to man and woman, when you don't go in it, leave man and woman argument alone. Man and woman argument no work out. I did go paint them, yeah. I'm going to do my tour. I'm going to do my tour. I'm not go paint my nails. Because by Monday, I have to go take it off. I can't go work with it. That look better. Yeah. Queenie and Dewey argument. When you not see Queenie come a ball and a class her man on a leave her alone. Is the woman husband, and if she want take him back, she take him back. A fear her husband, a fear her front. You know how long she gonna not do nothing? Do we gonna come back and just squeeze up Queenie, and Queenie just remember the little matches stick where stick her up, light her fire again. You hear what Queenie say? Do we make she feel good? I remember say do we a sucky. And Queenie a licky. So sucky and licky. I saw them for name. something not right. Whatever go down between the two of them, age barrier, I know say that is a big problem. But come on, man, you're a big man. You make big man look like then desperate more than nobody. I saw you love, man. Or I saw you. You know, Queenie can't get other people, but I just her matches stick she like. The woman like her matches stick, and her matches stick she like. When she goes up, it catch a fire. And that she like. So people have to go learn to leave Queenie alone and her matches stick. So when Queenie a cuss do it and a class do it, when you don't say nothing, the next time Queenie come and a ball, and bad enough to look at her. I remember, you know, people them a give Queenie her money, you know. A matches stick a spend the money. Matches stick a spend the money. I'm supposed to pick up the 68th birthday lady at 5 o'clock. But she said she don't ready yet, so I have to wait. I have to wait. I am taking the 68th birthday lady to her 68th birthday. You know, normally me not got them birthday here, but Auntie Rose, big up yourself, and I wish you nothing but the best. May God continue to bless and keep you. So tonight, I'm going to a 60th. I'm going to go live on that 60th birthday. So you can stay tuned. When I'm ready for go downstairs, I'm going to come off of the live. Because TikTok and me is a problem. Let me tag 21 and over. TikTok, there's 21 and over. I'm out. All right. Who want to join the live? Nobody? Nobody don't want to join the live. Yeah. I don't know where I got through Queenie head. And it seems like even for her family, them a try give her advice. This woman now go take their advice there. All the embarrassment, the disrespect, she like it. May I add you? Okay. Accept.
Hey, what?
Hello.
What? Oh God, you remember me, right?
Yeah, Jason.
So what? You be like,
Yes,
you
not come
look
over
nice.
here compliment me, because I don't see.
So you not like compliment. You not like when. All
Me
right.
think
Woman
that
not
me
like
think
when
that
man
the
tell
other
them so
something
they
you
look good.
talk.
Woman not like when man tell them so they look
No.
good. So
Yes, so me think you did I go say go look there so me send you something, cause me think that you come with. Me send you message, you know, me think that you come with.
Jesus Christ. Me not stay them type of way. You know me is a guy like this, me like for wait. You see it, so me just
Okay.
get your own time and space, you know, to consider things or whatsoever. You get me? Me not just, you get me?
I
Rush
think
a thing
that you
or
come
whatsoever.
out, that's why me know say you. Mood add you if me
Yeah,
not
but
know you.
no, And that me I try to tell us that sometimes you can't judge people
Yeah, but me
because
know say you, that's why me add you. If me did avoid you, me would add you.
yeah, but at the same time you probably think say yo me I go jump out by you like you know like
No, but me would
I
add
say.
you if I saw me the feel. You know,
So what?
understand?
You look good. What? You know, you keep up your cushion. You look cute, though. Man, so what?
I want this father.
So we really did talk about a while ago.
Me know me did that talk, man. Me done this one. Let it this one. Nobody pick it up. Pick it up.
See you. Now go work today, or you know work on
I want little 68 birthday, but it's not ready yet. But it's tomorrow.
probably you're there at home and